The following video will show you how to use the worksheet on casting networks. To access the worksheet, from the List of Projects page, click onto the name of the project and then click Worksheet. The worksheet contains all scheduled talent. It also contains all callback selected talent, all booked talent, and all talent in a session. On the left-hand side of the worksheet are your different filter options, which we will go over shortly. On the right-hand side are all of the talent. Let's take a look at the columns on the worksheet. First is talent, followed by representative, or if they submitted themselves through Casting Billboard, they will be listed as public. Then role or roles the talent is scheduled for, and the schedule or schedules they appear in. Then session, and then a column for casting notes. Talent will be listed out alphabetically by last name, but you can sort your worksheet by any column. Just click on the column that you would like to sort by, and you can view an order of talent, rep, role, schedule, or session. Next to each talent name, you will see a little drop-down. If you hover over that, you will be able to click on the talent size sheet, or their resume. If you click on a talent's name, you will see their main headshot underneath their name. Next to each role, you will see a drop-down as well. If you click on that, you will be able to change a talent's role to another role in your project. Next to each scheduled time, you will see a drop-down there too. From here, you can view the schedule, unschedule the talent, which moves them back into the selects for that role, and replace the talent with another. Please note that you can only replace the talent with a talent represented by the same agency, and the talent must also be selected already. Replacing a talent will put the initial talent back into selects for that role. Next to each talent, you will also notice a CB and B. Clicking CB will make the talent a callback select. Notice how the icon is now red. Once the talent is put into a callback schedule, the icon will turn yellow. And next to that is B, which stands for booked. Clicking this will not actually communicate with the agent or the talent, but will allow you to print a booking call list from the reports page, which you can learn more about in our Casting Networks Reports tutorial video. You can also use the worksheet to communicate with talent agents. If a schedule has been sent out, you will see the confirmation icons next to the schedule, including this chat bubble. If there are messages in there, the bubble will appear blue. If there is an unviewed message, there will also be a yellow star. To communicate with the agent, just click on the chat bubble and type in your message. Underneath the Session column, you can see which sessions, if any, each talent are included in, along with which roles. You can view pics and comments from here, and you can also make a comment on a specific talent if you want. Your client will be able to see your comment in their client link. And note that a comment will show up on every session that talent appears in for that project only. Finally, in this column, you can add and view internal casting notes. Casting notes are notes that you or your assistants can make. Note that only you and your casting company can see these notes. On the left-hand side of the page are all of the filter options. If you want to find a specific talent, just type in that talent's name and hit Filter. Or, let's say you just want to see the talent submitted by a specific agency. You can do that from here. You can also filter down by a specific role or by a role status, such as callback selects or booked. Or if you just want to see all of the talent for a specific schedule or for all of your callback schedules, you can do that too. You can also filter down by confirmation status, such as pending, confirmed, declined, or reschedule requested. Let's say you want to filter your worksheet down by talent who have not yet confirmed. Just choose pending and hit filter. You can also filter by group number, typing it in here. Or you can filter down by all audition talent, or by specific session, or all non-audition talent. Filtering by non-audition talent can be a helpful way to see who was in a schedule but did not make it in for the audition. You can filter, then unschedule all of these talent. They will be placed back into selects, and you'll be able to put them into a new schedule from there. Or let's say you are getting ready to build your callback schedule. You can use the feedback filter and choose to filter down by any talent who has been picked by one of your clients. And then just mark all of those talent as callback selects. You can also filter down by notes. Just want to see who you have noted as willing to cut their hair? No problem. You can view the worksheet with as many filters selected as you'd like. And when you want to just view the entire worksheet, you can simply clear the filters. You can also hide the filter column entirely by collapsing it here. There are just a few more things to note. You can choose to collapse the casting note column by unchecking this Notes checkbox. You can also choose to view each talent's main headshot by checking this box next to Photos. And you can add talent to an existing schedule by clicking this green button. You can search the database or add a quick add talent into a schedule. And finally, you can print your worksheet, including any filters that you have applied, right from your web browser. Just click File and Print from your browser and go through the steps from there. To learn more about how the website works in conjunction with the worksheet, you can check out some of our other Casting Network's tutorial videos.